This is Keely with Honda of Keene, and this is the 2019 Honda HR-V Sport. The 2019 Honda HR-V Sport comes with some great performance specs, like a 141 horsepower, 16-valve SOHC iVTEC engine, available real-time all-wheel drive with intelligent control system, sport mode with dual mode paddle shifters, and it comes with the sport pedals, which are exclusive to the sport trim. Here on the exterior, we have sport trim exclusive 18-inch alloy wheels. We have fog lights, we have roof rails, we have the body colored rear roof line spoiler, and we have the gloss black underbody spoiler. Here on the interior, we have a leather wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. We have a 7-inch touchscreen display with Bluetooth streaming audio. We have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and we have the multi-angle rear view camera with dynamic guidelines. The 2019 Honda HR-V Sport comes with some great safety tech, like vehicle stability assist with traction control, anti-lock braking system, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2019 Honda HR-V, the Sport might be the best trim for you, so come on down to Honda of Keene for a test drive, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!